So if you're relatively new to the art of woodworking and you're just trying to figure out what project is the best to start with, I have the answer for you. I'm Nick Harrison with Rocky River Woodworks, here to help you be successful as a woodworker. Okay, so maybe you're curious about what project will allow the most forgiveness and be the most forgiving when making a mistake financially and just material-wise. The answer to that are small boxes, and I'm gonna tell you why. Reason number one is for joinery. Now, boxes have 4 corners, but they have 6 sides. So you have a lid, a bottom, and 4 sides. Each of those has a corner on it. This gives you multiple times and chances to practice your different joinery methods. This is pertaining to corner joints. So you're not necessarily going to be doing mortise and tenons. Well, you might, but probably not. You might be doing miter joints and spline joints, box joints, dovetail joints, etc. That one small box has multiple chances for you to be able to practice your joinery. And the good thing about joinery methods is that the spectrum is very large. It goes from very basic to very elaborate, from power tools to hand tools, and everything in between. The second reason why boxes are a good starter project is for gifts. Now, if you're a woodworker, as you begin to grow your skills, you're gonna have tons of people asking you for custom work. Boxes are a good thing to make to give them as a token or as a gift so that they are able to sort of see the kind of work that you do. The reason why boxes are such a great gift is also because they're small. You don't have to lug something around. You can throw it in a bag or throw it in a box and gift it very easily. Even though something is so small, it also allows you to show off your intricacy and your elaborate details that you're able to put into your work. If you're unsure of what to get someone for the special occasion, you can't go wrong with a box. Boxes can be used for keepsake or decoration. They can also have a practical use. Pretty much everybody has something that they could put into a small box, whether that's pencils or a coin collection or whatever. The third reason why I recommend boxes as a starter woodworking project is for the sake of time. Now, when you're a new woodworker, you're probably just a little lost, or maybe you're just anxious or curious. Time is important, and the reason is because you don't want to lose inspiration and you don't want to lose motivation. Boxes are small, they're able to get completed relatively fast. If you're able to complete a box from start to finish in one day, that's going to keep you motivated to doing more projects. Finishing a project quickly also allows you to get a sense of pride and a sense of achievement as you completed a goal. You were able to finish one project from start to finish in one day. The fourth reason to use boxes as a starter woodworking project is affordability. That's right, cheap. And who doesn't like cheap? They don't require a lot of material or a lot of wood. In fact, most of the time they can be done with cutoffs or scraps, which you can get relatively cheap, if not free. The reason why this is important is when you're just starting out, you're going to make mistakes. We all did. I still do. And there's nothing worse than making a mistake that you have to financially pay for. I'd rather pay for it with my time, not money. So by using small amounts of material, you're reducing your costs so that when you do mess up, you're not out of pocket a whole lot of money. The fifth and final reason as to why I recommend small boxes as a starter woodworking project is for diversity. What I mean by that is boxes can come in all shapes, sizes, designs, materials, finishes, etc. They can also include add-ons, no add-ons. They can be as elaborate or as basic as you like. You can decide to use cheap materials, you can use exotic materials, you can use a mix of materials. Maybe you have 2 or 3 different species of lumber in one box. You might decide to go with really advanced corner joinery, or you may decide to keep it simple. Making these small wooden boxes gives you the flexibility to do what you would like. It's a way for you to express your creativity, as no 2 boxes are truly alike. So if you're wanting to start in the craft of woodworking, I highly recommend making wooden boxes. If you want other ideas of things to make, I have an entire list of 130 different wooden projects that you can make right now. You can get that list for free. I'll leave a link down in the description. Be sure to hit the like button down below, as well as subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.